For me, Mobia Kawa, Edeba by Grace TV. So, this is a trading point and crop pantom. Abusia Obia Ehon Eye, Yamia Dom, Yasa Shabium, live on by Grace TV. Yesha say now the updates in somewhere to form. And you deal Komoka Krabi, na igniting some say. Now Fedia Kabiato. So now only Yaba be din Komoka Kra. Breaking news be and then I'm 10 time feeding so yeah, they were tweeting I him. Now, so story, the Yentia Mama Bar. Maybe chimney say, Medi kind brass, and we see, you know. Medi kind be breaky, a candy to yin I when him say, Yam one amping phone to me, and could dress here. Now you who are seven mono crack. Now, in Sabi, I'm not say, report to be an name social media, so say, so I seven no cry a buy, no, Sabi, I'm not say, dear, and say, I report about to you and say, a branch and a cry in your media, yeah. And then I say, somewhere last month, somewhere last month, and I didn't see me better, in I when him. Yeah, so I'm able to in I when him, they say, Okon kind area on more. A branch be and then a down for pan, the best friend. Yeah, yes, I'm boku siata free, ekoba, ya omuye bibia boom. Na a branch and wa yira, I'm report, and say, police for a suspect. A branch here, and some the best friend or corn, and say, any a branch and yira ya wa by all means, the best friend no, a benim who be. Emma report because to you say a branch no asabi. And nam the suma the best friend who no dwanya kopi mu togo. Eno ena ne am no kase. Ya beto ya person say a branch na nya media. O hwe afidie so a branch ye abusua ne mfoni twagu afidie so. Your friend Theophilus Ashiti. Yes, your friend Theophilus Ashiti. Or 27 years. Sabria no kase. On a report abeto you say Sabri die on can't asefo ho na waye nyame die na ne nyina akokobai ebra branch your friends to flow shite na downfo my friend downfo nso nto so abusia na downfo no wo ha okay yes na downfo ni na downfo yi your friend no so wisdom tete na omu nyina won kan omu nyina ati akra to flow shite am di kan in the picture to see akra no ti na downfo yi the best friend your friend say wisdom tete ono so akra ho a and omu na tie na sabre abrantie we na post for nsa so no nsan say e allege su say na downfo ni wu a wo no onim ho bi no nti e na sabre am no ka say a post for nsa so no mama san fa abrantie no picture no to so bi na ye ni emu enkomo so this is it abrantie we ya na ho fo ni twagui o car ya car no Hyundai Elantra saloon cars ni bi it somewhere Easter Monday last month and Easter Monday no on the 6th of April, and a brand here American assembly, Theophilus Ashita, who for me trouble for this week. Na dream say, ne Elantra car, Hyundai Elantra saloon car, or percent or tongue, because the people do be a ultimate crack car, na do be a percent of the sacker, now tongue, now baby's grass also cut off from. The brand here and I dream say, ne car, the audacity is here, or percent or tongue the car, no copy car for. And no, na down for me, your best friend. Yeah, your friend say, wisdom tete the big can the picture to so my free so yes obetimi aboa no ama when you obi ama na ton car no e de ama no nti say ono be ya middle man na wa aboa na mo manya buyer na buyer na ton car nti buyer na ton car no wie na say share bi kura no wa na o de ama no na fe de aka bi ato so na busua on Easter Monday on the 6th of April 2026 abranti ye say no the car na ekwa akosia na danfo no so on say asenisia on the car ni ko sia na danfo no no mu nyina ka bo ma hwese na danfo nso obenya buyer ama ne dia buyer ne mra na also we person otowa dia also the panel access car and hwese we okay with the car afi car no krebe bo anu gina so yie ni ade a ansa na dia ka bi ato so enti Monday mre na say Monday Easter Monday no e the car ni PSA omo kwa akuhia buyer no na buyer na ton car na report na say omo kokohia buyer na so kwa brantie no no wa mafi 6th of April which is Easter Monday no abrantie na ma ade chen 7th of April Tuesday abusuafo rehwa abrantie omo hu say ye be wo ye se ne car no okoton anti okohia obi na ye de ya so na obi tis na opia fufi a obekra se aha na meko nti bia adwumadie nti am epie fufi ni se mekohia obi na akoya ade me ni obi kotu na mo bi ti abusuafo hwe ya one night aba betwam omo ba no abrantie Theophilus Ashite wa ma car also akoton nso a bibia nche se akoton car na bi amabia bibi firma ba ena busuafo ye se won tena se won ho enye yinti na sa dia won beko na won akobọ aposifo amane ti won ko bia report ɛwɔ Oyibi police ɛkɔbɔ police for amane on the 7th of April 2026 na ɛno yɛ Tuesday yɛ di Easter wie Easter Monday ade kyɛ Tuesday no ɛna abusuafoɔ kɔ ya amkɔbɔ police for amane ɛna amkɔbɔ police for amane no na ne kwan so ansa police for beto ɔmbo ase na wahyɛ ase ayɛ nsɛm no mu nhwehwɛmu ahu sɛ ɛne na asɛm wekura mu nkyerɛmu ne sɛ asɛm mu tɔfa bɔ ne sɛ na police for report beto ya preliminary investigation show sɛ abrantie Theophilus Ashite ya no fo yin twagu a ɔyera asa ye be beto ya so ayera asa abɛ no the last time a ɔmo hu no the last scene on the police for nhwehwɛmu sanity the last scene no na ɛnyɛ baabia sɛ abrantie na friend sɛ wisdom tete no ya ɔno na yes ɔbɛboa ma obi atɔ ne car na ma nti wayɛ middle man no the last scene wisdom tete ni fie wisdom tete no an hu man kan fan to so bia yes wisdom tete the last scene Theophilus Ashite ya no hu yin twagu the last scene abrantie we ne wisdom tete no say the police for report everyone say a police for saso no allegedly ɔno na the last scene na abrantie we fie ɛna hu ɔmo hu no na ne nyina ne sɛ abrantie we say car na woton salon car no metimi anya obi aboa amana to car na ma the police who you know taking note was reporting and say wisdom tete fie wo ba bia for say sasabi yes because wisdom report teacher say wisdom tete invited Theophilus say omra ne fie na on introduce by an man wo ne fie ho na omu na antonko so into one amon afi dia ka bia ento aso na eno ena nyame ya adom on the 10th of April 2026 so a police for enhwemu na bisa ma omo call abrantie we wisdom tete fie bia because on invite abrantie Theophilus on man obi obi am na ton ka na ma omo call abrantie ni fie no ena Ghana Police Service enhwemu beto dwa se omo hu traces of blood omo hu say on say omo ko fie omo say moja bi dead da abrantie ni fie ho omo hu traces marks or ye moja so say ye moja bi ewa abrantie ni fie ho we won say bi misem ko bi kwa konya akwanhia na emoja esogu ho a edi na he say de kra obo hu say bi bia da ho ba na say nipa moja mu odunti no da say de kra o fili say ade we ye da ho die enye kwa I mean betimi aye nipa moja na bibisa enti a police for a call back to abrantie we fie abrantie says you are suspect efie on the 10th of April na yawata and omo ko hu say I said you traces of blood be traces of blood no ma hu ba bia say abrantie yi dem and omo ko hu traces of blood ntina say man sem no mu ahadwen kakra pa man sem no ase ahwia so ntina no ma Ghana Police Service for CID headquarters ene omo mpanyifo mo ye hwehwemu nyina taking note of nyama won be hu abrantie yi dem ema ye hwehwemu pa yi na omo ye hwehwemu nyina na beto twa se sa abrantie friend say wisdom tete oni ne dem anase ni fie won omo koye no oni fie wo ne dem won so ma hwehwemu na omo ehu no edness abrantie no to pia for agyan na ma ne won wa se obi awa wadamfo anase abrantie a wo so betumi abo am na nya car anase betumi abo am obi ato ne car ma na omo hwehwemu beto twa se the last scene wo fie anase all them about on chain and how the last scene after ye sam ba ya be hu traces of blood wo fie and on nan chain ye hwehwe nso a ye hu ba bia wafa ene na ye akoka adwen kakra na Ghana Police Service for Intelligence omo gada ayi nyina akoko wie se abrantie and who for ni da so America na wasem to ye wisdom tete the last scene report beto ya say no we twan free Ghana across the border akopie mo Togo eno nti e Ghana Police Service the krata ba bonten be declare abrantie wanted yes so on your screen krata Ghana Police Service for the ba bonten na date on the krata ba bonten na the 14th of April 2026 omo the krata ba bonten no omo nsem no omo kan na say omo declare abrantie no wanted esan say omo hu ne say obetumi aboa one of the few people betumi aboa ma Ghana Police Service aye nsem no mu hwehwemu akodu the call na ko ba sebi abrantie ye nua be ma Theophilus Ashite awayira ye huni obi nim the ira na ho nsem bia ya so let's go through krata no a free Ghana Police Service oba on the 14th of April na afi aba beju bia na ya ju eni nchiremu a ba report ya gada from various sources. And that's on the 14th of April. Now, Regional Public Affairs Unit of the Ghana Police Service, Post Office Box 7111, Accra, Edibatu, on the 14th of April. Press release. Okay, TV said, I'll say, police declare suspect wanted. And to what they can say, the Accra Regional Police Command has officially declared suspect Wisdom Tete. Only a brand here, no, the young ban, who say, has officially declared suspect Wisdom Tete wanted in connection with the disappearance of Theophilus Ashiti Ama, and is calling on the public to assist in his arrest. And Tina or say Ghana Police Service declared branch wanted or somebody declared wanted. Thinking now for you have Theophilus Ashita. Now you because I no be any baby alpha. You ever say what disappear you know. The almost a public na Omuma police for baby a sabi obi tisa branch no I declare wanted no baby a omunya police first na nhwe won hyase ntempa na police for nche no e fa ni exam brani na Ghana man ni and on to so be no say two no say the suspect is being declared wanted following ongoing investigations which revealed that the missing person was last seen at his residence, where suspected blood stains were later discovered, indicating possible foul play. And this is a medical no. Omunche mu na beto just say. Abrantie no awagera, ya no ntie hu no. Na waye nyame dia no. Aye abrantie we minue. Yes. Okay. Minue ya wagera na no nti na sa abram no kasa. Aposifo abusua wo mu hu no. Wo mu hwehwe mu na ba beto just say. Aye sa abrantie ya sesi a ye hu no. Oni abrantie ni. Aye sa abrantie ya sesi a ye hu no. Why na aposifo nhwe mu che say yepe baby a wo no na last time I hu abranti na ye nua fie say be dik Canada no eno na nchen e abranti na ka se o mra no betimi anya obi ama na to ne ka ya opese oto na ma no na fe I wotimi anya ne sika a wo pe na bibi ato aso enti emam say nhwe mo beto dwa say wo mu hu abranti enti no mo susu say e den ya abranti we enim ye nua yira wa yira no hu bi. Now, na sakra beto dwa biem say ebra Ghana Police Service wo kwa abranti ni fie koye nhwemu say medical kana almost suspected foul play essence omu say abranti Wisdom Tete no ya sabe declare wanted no ye nua be ma we ya ne hu foni twagu asesi a report be to dwa say wa ye nyame dia yes report be to dwa say alleged wa ye nyame dia ya ben no beyond recognition Wisdom Tete ena okas sabi ni fie ena yehu last time here back ena okas so man obetime nyo biam na to ne kana man no yet me no ena afi de twom nso no kwan so mo call Wisdom Tete ni fie no omo blood stains Wisdom Tete ni fie just omo I mean traces of blood stains Wisdom Tete ni fie ena finally omo hwa brand ya no ground so omo hu no and report about your chase brand na dwane Togo. And the third point, the police urge anyone with information on the whereabouts of the suspect to report to the nearest police station or call the police emergency numbers. The command assures the public that all efforts are underway to apprehend the suspect and bring him to justice. And another year course, so and after police forces will be ama Ghana running the Pakoni. Na yenhwe no fa no megina mrani na bibia anya boko the no na yenka bi enhyemu a report bi abato dwa atentafie so screenshot bi a yensa aka na men credit me bra pani am ya debra sini am ya debra e de beto atentafie so na yi na yensa aka bia ye de suma masa o de screenshot here da o screen so ya busia it is believed say nipa ya o kasai ye nua be ma ya o nyame de ni nia ne hu nipa na de nsem bi abato dwa. Now, always screenshot this one. Well, I say hello, good afternoon. Let's watch ya. No reporting. You say with heavy heart, still you. With heavy heart, I would like to inform everyone. Okay, I'd like to inform everyone that Tio has passed away. Tio only a brand here we are. No for any of video. So on another car, a car, a Hyundai, a Lantra saloon car, CBA. Sabi Wisdom yes obetimi abola mo na obi amana ton wa okodi fia wa mabiem na besine and also obetimi aka o ka dia che obi asesa abedi etio ayi nyame dia eno ye baako na afi what was be mo no say on say Wisdom report if Ghana Police Service by and say no mu nche say odwane akopie mo Togo and o ka do ha say Wisdom ya report this odwane akopie mo Togo no say abedi nyame adom Ghana Police Service number we pay more Ghana. In Shebu number we pay more Ghana. Do Ghana no. Wisdom agia to say on the court you. Now wisdom has been brought to Ghana and confessed he killed you on 7th. Let's say on the 7th of April. Easter Monday na de chinye baby ani ehu you a report. Our Ghana Police Service no. And wisdom agia to say on a you report and allegedly on the 7th of April. Now come we and burnt his body in a different car in the bush at UG. There's okum theory and answer. And I was answered cheja eto tio a body mu. A she no a different car. Bush be a UG. Make did pass a UG American University of Ghana, Legon, and Patemo baby. And we are one of my past students who is a close friend of Tio sent me this right now. And now reporter Ababe told you Sabre. Yeah, this sum yigna and Abranti and this year the reporter namtent and feel so. Na Ababe told you, yeah, ye na when say here there. Ye ni abe Matthew. Why ye media? Tio philosophy. Ya no for any trouble. Why ye media? On cat as fast as and as on near on kind what as fast as so. Now the man here yakra say report everybody say nipa no ehye no oku ni wie no e na ohye no e wo bush bi emu aben huge. Tina say such situation where you're liking to obekaya somewhere last year immigration officer be kenamwa ya ono so kan patem ho a the yonko and we know immigration officers na yonko dey ka chen say o pa manfo mame na memwa wo ma sense ma ban abanye mfo mu ra immigration mu said the beya obi a ohia adwuma bia betimi amana ni adwuma oso beboa na de amanfo ra immigration mu say when to me amwa and afi ni pan se bi amanfo ma me pressure to do misro o dey say when to me kra amwa amfa ni pan bi ra immigration mu no problem sika bia me de ma obi an sa fa sika no ma me back na yemfa amanfo sika mo na yentoa so because e basa na pressure na e ba msna no ti afi wo fre wadanfo ise bra na me nkope osika manwa se na wafa ho adwin se ogigi adanfo ya kwa koku no e mampa ye kai kenamo story and so onkoku no ya e wo mountain so o share this story I mean it is likened to that story of kenamo ya onya asem ketu akwa ntebusia sisi ade di ababe to dia na nam say this story na chinti and am yes no ye famra ye mama saying na who been this picture okay what's that picture we me famra and it is believed that there is a picture of Abrantia wisdom tete yeah isusu say allegedly ono na nam ne so ananse ono na isusu say waji eni abe make reference nsem no we wo hwe no a on say appose for the handcuff egunisa yes said I see it here and these are some of the reports in here yes aka ewiase no ade no I think say we get reasons to fear mankind yenya reasons a etrese yensuo nipa because Abranti onye boni bia me ameka na me se me pese me ton metimba bi menya boni nya hwe o so obetimi aboa me ama obi aton obetimi aboa ama obi aton me ka enti masim na nse boa me na menya to form ma me ka na wa frɛ me se memra fie na mehia dealer no ana se tofo no ton ka no ma me oba fie a abusua ka no ode ba ya na ama onua mu nso ama enti che se abusuafo asem no mu ya na abusuafo ko gba police for amani and a police for nso ba ya be nhwemu ohun se no omu traces of blood ewo ofie enti se a question aye bisa I know say nche bia Ghana Police Service for the official release be ba bonteni atense na say but the ema some hwe aso say on the Ghana Police Service for report on Liberty Ghana say tell them making kindly show me on the 14th of April they say or traces of blood ewa Abrantie yeah or black the handcuff bin say on na isusu se sebi wokum ye nua be me allegedly kopem ja police for hwemu beto Ghana be bia wie no omu traces of blood of Abrantie or tare white on na ye nyame de ewo ni fie eno ye baako and afei omu say Liberty just okopie motobu it is if indeed omu traces of blood on the fie could it be said if fie Abrantie fie akasa na okum no and okum wie okoshe no wo UG University of Ghana sa bia ya omo kan ana say ho ne me just me ntiase because report here ba abusuafo yi kan kyerɛ sɛ Legon aho baabi kwaye bi mu ɛna ɔmo ekohu sɛ yɛahye yɛn nua bɛɛmɛ ɔmo ahye no beyond recognition a wɔnhu no mpo nti ebi a okunu ofie na ɔde ne to kaa mu ɛkɔkɔ hye no hɔ baabi sɛ yɛbɛyɛ a obia nkohu akyira na adan na nipa timi de mmara hyɛ ɔmo nsɛm edi bɔne saa adan na nipa timi de mmara hyɛ ɔmo nsɛm ɛyɛ nneɛma a kyɛ sɛ odwen ho a abusua ɔnte ase nipa bi timi de mmara hyɛ ɔmo nsɛm kyɛ sɛ mehu asɛm koraa menka young guy 30 years koraa wonyae or 27 years pɛpɛpɛ ya kyɛ sɛ wɔfa to no so ɔbɛyɛ ne ho akonkoden na ne so aba mfaso ama ne man ne n'abusua sɛsi aberanteɛ yɛnim mfaso bi ankɛkyena bi ɔman Ghana ebenya wɔn so yɛnim mfaso bi ankɛkyena bi abusuafoɔ benya wɔn so but just like that nipa bi agye ne nkɔ afiri ne nsɛm na Ghanafoɔ kasa ɛwɔ nsɛm wɔ nti yɛnhwɛ nsɛm a Ghanafoɔ bi ne mu kan na yɛmfa no nso ho report ɛnsoma mansa bi ɔbaa ne sei no ɛnokora sɛ Ghanafoɔ bebree abusua ɛna ɔmo kyerɛ ɔmo adwen ɛwɔ yɛn nua bɛɛma no ewuo no ɛho okay so let's get to the screen na afei yɛnhwɛ deɛ Ghanafoɔ ɛka amanfoɔ di yaw paa nice guy ɛna nipa bɔnefoɔ bi ɛde mmara hyɛ wɔn nsɛm agye ne nkwa ɛfiri ne nsɛm ya paa nti yɛbɛsrɛ nyame sɛ ɔno ɔnhyɛ abusuafoɔ nyinaa den na ɔnhyɛ abusuafoɔ nyinaa werɛ yɛsɛ nipa bi abewu go down mansankom no two ways about that yɛkɔ a yɛbɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛdi owó ka no korɛ but don say owó bi wɔ hɔ a ɛyɛ ana emu ɔya owó bi wɔ hɔ a odwen ho a ɛyɛ ana ɛha adwen paa typical example ɛyɛ aberanteɛ ewu emu ɔya paa nti yɛn tie deɛ Ghanafoɔ yɛnhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛnya some comment a Ghanafoɔ de aba ɛfa yɛn nua bɛrima yi ne wuo ho na yɛn kenkan ne nyinaa ɛma amansan ɛnte aseɛ sɛdeɛ esi ɛteɛ live on by Grace TV wohwɛ me na so the comment aba esan sɛ ɛyɛ very sad story pa saa wuo sɛ yɛ bi somewhere around last year kenamwa immigration officer no FM the same way ɛnɛ yɛn nua bɛrima nso sisi report ɛba ne sɛ ɔno nso ayɛ nyame deɛ nti abusua I think sɛ ɛyɛ wake up call de ma yɛn nyinaa yɛnhwɛ nipa a yɛne wɔn to anamɔ yɛnhwɛ anamɔ to sɛ wɔn a ɛbɛn yɛ ɔho nyɛ nipa nyinaa na ekura adwene pa o obi wɔ hɔ a wɔbɛn wɔ bada akoma ekura ne adwene ekura no ɛnyɛ papa bɔne adwene ko a ɛna ekura no so yes let's get into some of the comments a Ghanafoɔ binom de aba na yɛmfa nsoma mansa na sɛ the public netizens nsɛm a wɔn ɛka ɛwɔ ntɛntɛn so ɛbrɛ asɛm no bɛtɔ dwa kan kɛse yɛbra panyin am yɛadebra ɛna ebinom ahyɛ ase kasa wɔn na first person ɔbɛkasa yɛ friend lady a pokusam ɛna ɔsɛ oh Lord have mercy I'm very sad my condolences to the family and friends may God strengthen them what is this world becoming next one day wò di aw paa ɔsɛ sɛ nyame na nhyɛ abusuafoɔ nyinaa den ɛbrɛ mu ayɛ den no ɛna wɔsɛ ebusa koraa sɛ na deɛ koraa na sisi a yɛ man Ghana ɛne wiase ɛdane esan sɛ adeɛ kyen adeɛ sɛ no amanfoɔ di bɔne amanfoɔ yɛ nneɛma a ɛnsɛm fata yɛ akyɛ sɛ ɛni kwan koraa sɛ anka bi ɛba saa nti ɔno nso ne nsɛm ɔde bɛto dwa ɛno no now next person yɛ Kwame Adom akokyerɛ no so this guy is extremely wicked next ɔno ohun sɛ aberanteɛ na ɔyɛ nyambranse mɛte saa no ne tiri mu ɔden ankasa yɛ bɔne ankasa ɛna ɛwɔ ne tiri mu nti na ama wɔtumi anya ahoɔden na wɔnya akoduro ɛde bɔne ɛte sɛ afei the next person is Rose Destiny ɔno nso ka sɛ people are heartless so ne sɛ amanfoɔ akoma ɛden kyɛ sɛ wɔn nyɛ homɔborɔ biara de ma wɔn ho afei yɛ sɛ how wicked can some people be ɛna afei for the artist and so say the wickedness of man next wɔn nyinaa edi yaw wɔn nyinaa edi awerɛhɔ ɛfa how wicked some people are ɛfa ɛwudie ne bɔne ahodoɔ yɛ ana ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ yɛn man Ghana mu na yɛnhwɛ the next slide nso ɛ na yɛntie deɛ Ghanafoɔ nso ɛka ɛyafa yɛn nua bɛrima no ne wuo ho na yɛasrɛ nyame sɛ ɔno ho abusuafoɔ nyinaa mmɔbɔ na ɔnhyɛ abusuafoɔ nyinaa nso ɛden so on the next slide no ɔbaa pa ama Las Vegas nso bɛ commentate ɛna ɔkyerɛm sɛ ɔbaa pa ama Las Vegas ɛkyerɛm sɛ aden a awurade na sɛ asɛm no yɛ ne ya paa afei adehyeɛ fabrics GH nso bɛkasa na ɔsɛ oh awurade aden ɛna afei ɔbaa bena sɛ ɛyi ɛna afei ɔbaa bena biem sɛ ase ɛyi ɛna mɛkra ko sɛ this world this is wild na sɛ asɛ emu ɔwuram paa kyɛ sɛ ɛbra adwen ɛne ntiaseɛ so now also another person and I say the next slide on wa ka bekyerɛ ɔmo adwen ɛwɔ nsɛm wei ho yɛnkɔ the next slide na afei yɛmfa nyinaa ɛmra rest in peace to aberanteɛ no nyame na hu ne mmɔbɔ na ɔnhyɛ ne den na ɔnka abusuafoɔ nyinaa ho na bremwa edin nyame na ma omunya ni mu eni da so ave junior chat book say ouch Charlie all over what a car it's a car kekenti and I'm happy to say ave I want on page say oh my goodness and that's some kito and ave Millicent come and say hey ave kwachi kwa die saponse nipa ye wiki do nya some kito and ave obrempon kese kwa come say for what reason hey nipa nye nya some kito and ave Faustina Juniper I say ow na say wasusa and ave Ajua Diamond say for what na say die nkwanti be ma obetimi aye boni say agye o yonko kra e di afri ni say me no aye asem a aye Ajua Diamond and so ade betutwa. Now on the next slide we have about 2 more slides to go na yakebia so atwaso because it's a very very sad story. Okay. Now Golden man say where was he arrested? And Togo because on Ghana Police Service for Kasai on the 14th of April. Almost someone bet you say Abrantie no. Omo intelligence say we need Ghana we dwane akopie mo Togo because Ghana Police Service for call the fear no. I'll go with traces of blood on the field. Now Abrantie ni ho. And omo intelligence bet you say we dwane akopie mo e Togo. Afei. So that is Golden Money and so comment or the buyer with respect to Ghana for a commenting no mu dia ho wan sem no. And after Dorcas Nibins, hey, these days when I see someone declared missing, then my heart start to pound. Why is the heart of man becoming so wicked? Next one day, Odi I say enipa bonia she nipa kuma muma. Intia na otisi obi kwa gira untimi ntina because bonin kwa ena ashe nipa kuma mu emma. And after Dorcas Nibi can sa after I jotting say, hey, for what exactly? Car kekeo. And etonam for leaving men as a wicked guy should also be bent and see how it is to burn someone's son to death. Next, one who say, and I'm say, yeah, alert say, Abrantie on who for need to go for this week. Sorry, Abrantie wisdom, a shame no, allegedly, because the police will be me, you know. A shame no, yeah, I'm seeing your media, no. Abrantie na police fortune, and also, almost shinibi. Yes, young Benny on also life. Now, one first one your media, no one's a channel, Sebi, they say a best will be. Amanipa aye nyame edia. Now on the last slide no, this one. Nothing young funny in Mary everybody with breaking news in now was the best some amansan. Or share on the last slide so for yes, so on the last slide no Ghana for na bia na eche omadwen amanfo dia no Mercedes in your roy as somebody say how evil can one be? Such people need to be hanged. And I say obi a wotimi adi boni say ono an yonko and as we call anybody Juma, what to me, after Kotikwan be so ashen sound here. When you can see a nickel 12 years because of life imprisonment, and I say, or also, Yenfa no and children, and I say, hanging on my own be. Sa, nine can be to each other. And after Eugenia Peterson say, wait, in which country was he arrested? Togo, yes, we were Ghana Police Service for the cancer, Togo. And I'm investigating so. And after human rain, so by just like that, that's on Tassie. And I want to say, how can someone do that, something like this? Just like that, said it here. After Scotch, Nano, and so by say, ever since I heard the news of traces of blood in the accused apartment, I lost hope in seeing him alive. I didn't expect him to be alive. Okay, let's say, on the other side, brother told you, police phone you told you, say, Omo kwa Abrantie no or ye accused ni fie, na omo traces of blood on the field. And the mouth papa said, a bed in so boom in your bed, my wablot. And also one same kaka, I don't know. And I thought was being say very sad news, especially after the one involving the immigration guy. The accused should have known better. How much is an elantra? And I make one some say yen chain and simply say yes, immigration officer on last year. Kenamwa kumase tafu heya and I know free. Or you one crime baby. Also no yonko eku no shini ya bright away allegedly. Yeah, that's a crowd con one court. Eddie Mama never best mama sign. Now, Guinness Mawen Adako say, oh, because of his own car he was selling. And yes, I'm going to tell assembly a very, very sad part. All the kind or Tito say, good evening, my dear. How is it going? I just came in. Okay, the attorney said, I brand here we are move for new trouble for this week. Meaning you'll be my move for new trouble. Says here, and move for new trouble. Your friend Theophilus Ashiti. Now, and crying out here or you be a car or not here. Na auto car. And Abrantie we or in for cry. Abrantie we. Yes, abranteɛ wei yɛ friend say wisdom. Ashit wisdom tete. Yes. Wisdom tete. Yes, obetumi aboa no. Ama onye obi ama na ton ne car na man. Nti report just say Easter Monday. I think that was on the 6th of April. I stand to be corrected. Either 6th or 7th of April. Easter Monday, no. And a brand here, Kokoi. You know, for any Echagui. You know, for any Echagui. Echo ni fie. So, obet to me abuano. Na what ton the car, no. Amano. Obet to me abua. Na we got Mr. My life kakanti we be am friend one am friend munya abotre madam ma be am friend why madam ma na ye din komo enti me gu so am cheche me yi abanti o share white shirt short sleeves on na you nyame dia ni na say o ton the car na okay me ba okay obuzia me ba hello mama we dey me life kama me wie na me friend wada roma me ba join Mbashoze. Okay, maybe I know a friend, Mother Roma. Bet 20 minutes time. Okay, me that's it. Okay. I was your mom one chame. On the me the American humanity first. They were not cause ne banner. If for you know because na emergency and I will be said be and I say emergency no hear my assistance will be wanting. Now what's me attending to the person. So now let's get back to what I'm saying. About here was just short sleeves whitey. On assist ya report just said why in median. Now nyina say on one car Toyota Elantra ibi. And I hear say obeton the car. And I'm brand here on my right side here share long sleeves here also. Or yes say obetimi anya obi ama na ton car no e di ama no. Enti no so usu obenye obi ama na ton car di ama me dia. And me ba fie na ma ba be hu na waton me car di ama. The report say Easter Monday no it was on the 6th of April and a brand here was short sleeves kokoi. Yeah friend say wisdom ashite e call ye nua be mai ho. Ye nua be mai isusu say one na akuni. Your friend say Exp0ses tete okwa was a bua na me nyom ma me ton me car. Okwa wa mafi ti ade chi on the 7th of April. Ya na ye bnada and na ye nua be mai abusuafo yes there bi ye de share na kwa ama. Sa de ne ye be kokko police for man ye say ye de share bi ayera opie free free ya hwehwe na aye hu no ti police for mo aye. Omukọba police for man ya police for share say hwehwe mu no. And on the Thursday and that's on the 10th of April about 2 days or 3 days later. A police for call a brand here or share long sleeves you or Exp0ses do. Omukọ ni fie. Omukọ ni fie kwa hwehwe mu no. Omu say a brand here in the last scene they twa to omu no. Na ye nua be ma ya sesia omachini ni fie no omu no. And after omu say traces of blood. Omu say call ni fie bi later. Omu go investigation say traces of blood e wa brand here fie ne dem. But brand here so ni dem wo dwane. Omu investigation na be to dwa say togu ho ba bi. And omu intelligence agada actually say ho na brand here na kwakopi. Now some men, my police for be declare a brand here or share long sleeves, the osri our high, the share long sleeves, polo shirt, almost declare wanted. And my now police for their 2 years will be on 1 year. Ne, yan cabin shema report be about 20 times to say, you want a brand here, kokoi, ya ona, no tone kai. Now I am missing person, yahuno. Now also say, no. Report say on Tiasi and Quaninimu. Now report ni bi an abusuafo bi no kwa dia ba beto bi say screenshot no enfa. Omo hu no na waye nyame dia. Na wisdom a confess say enokwe on the kum Exp0ses yeni abeme on the 7th of April, that's Easter Monday and Tuesday no. And an body so allegedly wajatum say on a she no ya o she no in a different car bi mo kwaye bi mo e wo UG Legon pattern mo be. Ti no report about beto ya di ebe suma mansa nti yeswe nyame se ono amoa na woni ho bon nsem we nyina mu no Ghana mra no a inform exam running na Ghana mra eni omoni se mpanyfo ye nhwemu na beto dwa sampa abrante ni difu wo mu ho bon wo mu a the law is no respect of persons ntempa Ghana mra eni ni na bibia enso nya so nti we dey breaking news and abusuan for madaroma ye ba se ye dey ba beso nyina ya nti ye besre se nyame na hu ye nyina amobo na yes rest in peace to Yenia Bema to Exp0ses ha to only a brandy nice guy pa ya ono atimi abɔ ne bra kakra nyame adom ono akɔ atimi atɔ ne car ya ɔde bɔ bra ɛna hwɛ mea me car osu benye obi am na atɔ ama me timi bo am na me nya me nipa kɔ ne ntɔ car no ma me no sɛ na ɛkɔ akɔwie me wo asɛm no ha adwen pa nti nyame fa ne kransie na dan kwa ma yi na yɛtimi ne twedi ampo ahyia mu ne atɔre si na mesrɛ etu yi na yɛ ho kakra mesrɛ busuafo mo a mo hwɛ me ewiase no sesi a yehu adeɛ kye adeɛ sa no ensɛm ahodoɔ esisi nyinaa kokɔwie sɛ nipa nyɛ ensɛm ahodoɔ esisi nyinaa kokɔwie sɛ sɛbi nipa timu sum tina obi bɔ ne nim so kukuseku nipa ho nyɛ eyehu ti suro nipa ne gya saman no tiabusu amama yɛ careful na yɛn hwɛ ya na mo nto yi mo yɛn hwɛ the way a yɛsini nipa bi deal yi mesrɛ pa we dey futu am dey ma yina ho but nsɛm ahodoɔ a yɛhyiahyia ne nsɛm ahodoɔ a yɛdi akyire ne nsɛm ahodoɔ a I mean yɛ tied report ma amansan no yɛkɔ a yɛbɛn yɛnhwɛ ya na mo nto yi pa yɛnsrɛ nyame sɛ ɔhu yɛ mɔbɔ na ɔmfa ya na mo nsi deɛ yɛ away na Awurade Yesu Kristo dem nti amen abusia me da sa ogye brɛ na ohwɛ ma many comments to be aban free when fashion in America Elizabeth Kantanka say good evening Adi bibi abokɔ deɛ after Esther Dalagan say good evening hello Esther bibi abokɔ deɛ after Elizabeth say please like and share when you join the live thank you no prayer Elizabeth say hey Ghana ayasemo after Donald Dasinoba say by grace please don't divert your attention away from the murder case. No, okay. From the case of Lumba and Oliver Akosia Sewa case, we are not backing down to the truth is told. Mati Wadaroma. If you don't abuse, please don't back down Akosia Sewa's case. Mati Wadaroma. Mati. And afe Oteto. So good evening, my dear. How are you doing today? Nyami adome ho ye pa. So on here. Afe the South African tank as Tio's own have been known. Rest in peace, Tio. Now, Ghana police, please investigate Lumba's brouhaha. Why? The family want to know what exactly happened to that Lumba and where he was buried. And I say more. After Tito say, oh my God, life is not easy. And after Tito be say, amen, no crap. A very sad story. Yeah, Abba. Ever strange, I may say, on one more. Now, and pay for you, she munya kobasa and pa. To philosophy, and who need that. Yeah, this is a report everyone's saying, Yamedia. A brand here. Wisdom enim ho bia ye fa ni magizam brand na Ghana man ni said this it na bibia anya boko me dan say oje bre na ohwe me but let's not forget say abusua ye tonfie madaroma ye tonfie misre mo a ti me mbon de akra bi na ye fa mrawi ye tonfie ewo atwema yabe efie no kwa wo hen fampo ni yes abusua fie ye tonfie wa atwema yabe a 4-bedroom house baako master bedroom and a train akana a single room self-contained. You show me now what then won't quite be if you know your tone or Achimayabe. If you I mean 4 bedrooms but a master bedroom, yeah, be beer be obenya biwom and a train akana a single room self-contained. Achimayabe and one if you want to be so show me now what then or now come upon one corner bit media so for number yamba says yeah left few round and no to more. Na bibia enso enkoyi enfama a 4-bedroom ewo atwema yabe eho na fie ne wo afefie no kitchen kakaka ho garage kama ewo ho no enye no nko a ho ewo no eso me se ho ono obate wo na pese of oba is always use microphone na the team of oba no onpe we na die na pe ena ura okwa ahwe on your left side summer hat kama pa wi aba akotena wo na wo zippo drink na wo dwen ho na bibia ekoyi de ma if you run this here on 0249 165994 0249 165994 0249 165994 Achumayabe 10 minutes drive from Sofalai Hall and if you know from where Nekojifino na bibi ankwe inform abusu a very sad story abranti ya mnoka sabi mnoka sa abranti anu funi trebi sabi arosam say he's suffering from stage 5 kidney disorder ye mu ayedin pa o ya bantie kama pa na sebi asem na aba ya sisi ya wontimi ne ho hwe amane nti abrabo ne mu ayedin abusu ya mesero sa wo hwe me sabre na akoma pa ne wo ho da ho den wo na betimi nko ade a wada roma ye mu abrantie wate na onsre na bibia enye kan se trosem se mo anya ama mu nuano mu nketwai mo anya ama me asafere wate ti sa ho den wo na betimi nko ade a abrantie na o twi bi dialysis a 12 million thousand to doctor sisi obetimi aye a transplant amount no nya hoden I just said $30,000 3.3 billion and a big way so. Timmy Samusia and Yaminka Yakoma, the intimate brandy watching. More money number no. A branch in more money number 0549 432 276. 0549 432 276. 0549 432 276. I know your branch in mobile money number. Find it from where. Na bibi anko. Ya carry with me be an fast sending right now. Ya maybe Kai will say your Kai me fibo set now. The D Exp0ses+Arrest. Open all the for account number so Fidelity Bank account number here 2090 2614 73117. 2090 2614 73117. Account ni dino costless deco. Abusia yemwa branti what na be kaye said the kai be fibo said no be kuna for the Bible say be afesu ya na kuruwa ayemabu so mujidie pa se fatu ya so na ebu branti ya yenso ekina sese ye kuruwa ebe yemabu so e wa ye na radi Yesu Kristo de muti amen. Abusia be dan sa oje bre na ohwe me yen hwe hu yi yen se nyame se wono anye fi musuo ne yesan mu ye kwa ye be wo obi na ti wa dwuma mu wo obi na ti wa sori fi wo obi na ti wa mountains wo obi na ti wa fi obeda hu ni trim problem hu na kuma mu enwu se ono kwa onya obedu bone because the abranti awa nyame die allegedly report say why nyame die so no say bone say em na abranti na so omra no mpo man ton ka no wo ni tim anka wanko ye beda na hu tie nse nyame se wono amra ya bra bom no tia na mo si die ye tu na mo bi na de be ko ha nya mani mo nyame na mpekwa bi so twi mfi ho na bibi ankoi awo nya radi Yesu Kristo dimti amen. Ebusu ame do party hwe wonso ye ko so na hwe by grace we san say woni pa bebre e di ma otito say amen no kre me da mu na masam jebre na mo hwe me makra mo brepa me bi hia nyame nka ho bye bye.